Hey guys, C Wade here doing HackThisSite.org Realistic Mission 6 from Toxico Watch, wanting us to decrypt some text and decipher a message sent from his CEO to another company. And so we're going to be working with some cryptography skills here, so let's start the mission up. And here's the encrypted hash, or the encrypted text, which was probably originally something long, but it may not. So we're going to go over to our XEDecryptor. That's what the company or the CEO used to encrypt the text for the email. And we'll just start off by typing in A. And notice how we get 3 numerals. If we type in AA, we're going to get 6 different numerals. So for each character we get 3 generated numerals. Now take for notice that if we take, we'll go AA. If we take these numbers, and notice also how it generates random numbers each time. But if we take these numbers, 90, 57, and 47, we get 194. And if we do this again, and we go 46 plus 64 plus 84, we get 194 also. So we know that for each character it generates different numerals, but all the numerals add up to the same number. Now, with that number, or the sum of all the added numerals, 194, we're going to open up our ASCII chart. You can just Google ASCII chart and Google Images and you'll get this. You're going to want to find lowercase a and notice the decimal of 97. What we're going to do from here is take the added number 194 minus 97, and we're going to get like we get 97. Notice that this is the decryption method, as we did A was our encryption, A was the encrypted password. That together minus the subtraction as we did equals ASCII decimal 97, which is A. So what you would normally need to do is figure out the full mathematical way, so it works with each character and each numeral. And so what you need to do is open up like Microsoft Outlook, or not Outlook, you know, the one where you can just plot data. I forgot what it was, I don't use that. Or you can open up Notepad and plot all these, and then what you do from there is write a program using that method so you can decrypt the hash or the encrypted text. And or you could just do it by hand, but that would take you probably an hour and a half because it's a long process. Notice how we just did these 3 numbers and got only 1 letter, and the email message is probably like 300 words, with each word being on average 4 to 10 letters long. So it'd take you a while to do. So there's really nothing much I can show you guys other than how to get that method for this mission. And so you guys who aren't programming savvy probably think that you fell now, but I took the liberty to code a program which is GUI based, which does the decryption for you, And so I'm going to put that in the description next to this video. Once you download it, it's 16.6 megabytes. You're going to run the installation as I'm doing here. Next, 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 install. And active Perl is going to pop up. You're going to have to install that before you can install XEDecrypt, which is what I named it. So it's going to install. And after active Perl installs, and what you need to install it, your drive/Perl, which is like C. Let's say your hard drive is C, then you need to install it under C/Perl. If it's H, it needs to be installed under H/Perl, etc. So after we have the finished installation, we get two shortcuts on our desktop: XEDecrypt, and I put the some C++ source out here with you, so you just aren't stranded. Because if you want to learn how to do stuff like this, this isn't the GUI source, but this is mathematical source showing you basically how the decryption works. So if you want to learn, I put the shortcut there, and if you just want to decrypt it and get the mission over with, we're going to run this. Verify that whatever your drive is, the letter of your drive, you're going to put in this text box. Verify. And then now we're going to enter in our realistic mission hash. So we're going to go back, copy this entire encrypted text, paste, so we have it in here. Generate the ASCII characters. Generated. We're going to do some cleaning up. Cleaning up finished. We're going to decrypt, which Perl comes in handy now, because I made the GUI here in Visual Basic, but the decryption uses a Perl script. So here's the end of the program, and here's our decryption once everything's finished. So that's basically how the program works. It's as easy as that. We copy our decrypted text, go back, Toxico watch, decrypted email, paste it in, send, and there we have it. Congratulations, you have successfully completed Realistic 6. So that's how you do it, folks, finding out the algorithm. You can check out the C++ file for seeing how the algorithm works in its fullest form. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll include the download link so you guys can decrypt your hash to your own will. And basically, that's the end of this mission. Easy does it. This is C. Wade. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.